Hey, and today in today video we are diving into WordPress security 2025, and I am going to show you how to implement CSP content security policy in WordPress like a true pro. Keep hackers away and keep your website super strong. So, what is CSP? So, if you go to Google and search for MDN, then you can find definition of content security policy. And content security policy is feature that help to prevent minimize the risk of certain type of security threat. It consists of series of instruction from website to browser which instruct the browser to place restriction on things that the code compromising the site is allowed to do. So basically it prevent many attacks like XXA attacks, malicious script, data injection, unauthorized third party content, etc. So it is very strong thing. Like CSP is very strong thing. So now in simple word, CSP tells your browser what is allowed and what must be blocked. So it is really awesome. Like by this method you can block XXA attack, malicious attack, data injection, unauthorized third party content. Cool. And if something is not allowed in your policy, the browser will reject it automatically, keeping your site secure. And one header, unlimited protection. And one more thing, if you think why CSP is important in 2025 or 2026, cyber attackers are becoming smarter every year. 2025 and 2026 is the year when AI automated attacks, script injection, and access attempts are becoming extremely common. This is why CSP is no longer optional. It's essential for every WordPress site. Without CSP, your website become an open playground for hackers. So now we will see how to implement CSP in WordPress. So first thing, go to add-on and click on add plugin, and then search CSP, and you will find lots of option at here. CSP friendly security, no unsafe inline, HTTP header, GD security header, strict CSP, and actually I implemented this CSP thing in more than 4 website. So I also try to implement on nginx server and apache server, etc., via code, etc., but I feel like many time nonce, etc., create problem. So I did lots of R&D on it and then found some solution. So I also explore many add-on for it, but I found header security advanced and HSTS WP is very good. And if you see at here, it is giving a positive result, and currently it is not active on my side. So yeah, you can I am reloading it again so that you can see it is without it is coming some error of headers. Now it is error is coming. So now I am first I am install now and then activate it. Now it is activated. So now you can see configuration inside that now you can see max is enable include subdomain, enable preload, so all information, all direction is here, so you can add and check uncheck for that. But for my side, for my case, I do not want to change anything, because like now if I check now after activating, you just fix purge all cache etc. So purge all cache and then check your site on security header. So you can check on any security header, Google CSP evaluator at anywhere. Now I am checking again. Now it is coming a positive, and some warning is coming at here, so I have to check for it. It is showing there was duplicate X frame option header, there is duplicate, so the duplicate maybe I added some header in our stxs or other place, so it is showing at here. So I have to fix that thing also, but it is simple warning, so it is not issue. A positive is coming, so it is good. And now if you want to add via code, then go to function.php, and I will provide some code for developer, so you can put inside stxs, but I am not sure for that, because many time I also got this error, like inside that if after implementing my code, then I feel some css issue, some javascript issue, may images issue, so lots of issue created via that. So I refer to all, please use this header security advanced tool for it. And that's how you implement content security policy in WordPress like Pro. Without with this setup, your website become much harder to attack and far more secure for 2025 and beyond. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to channel, comment your next WordPress topic request. Strong security means a strong website, and strong website means a strong business. Thanks for watching. And one more thing, I have 11-year experience in WordPress. I also provide many development services like custom WordPress development, WooCommerce solution, performance and security, design service, geo directory service, web application. So if you want, then you can connect with me. Thanks for watching.